Hi everyone, good evening, Jai Hind. Indian team for IMO 2025 has been announced and it is on the expected lines. And let us all give a round of applause to the members who have been selected to represent India in IMO 2025. ये कहाँ होने वाला है? Sunshine Coast, Australia from 10 July to 20 July. And of course, the team is consisting of amazing team members like Aditya, Kanav, Archit, Abel, Arav, and Adesh. So this is the Indian team who is going to represent India. And again, we have full hopes on these 6 members that they are going to go there and get gold, a lot of gold medals for India. Just to tell you about these amazing members. So Aditya has been, he was also a part of IMO team in 2024. Not only a part, again, he created history. He was rank 5. It was India's best ever rank in International Math Olympiad ever, right? So of course, he won gold for India. 2022 and 2023 also he has represented India and has won bronze for India. So of course, इस बार सबको पता है कि आदित्य का कौन सा medal आने वाला है. Kanav, he represented India last year and of course he won gold for India in 2024. Archit represented India in 2023 and he won bronze for India. And these are the 3 members. ये पहली बार इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. So Abel, Arav and Adesh, of course we have heard a lot about them. Abel of course got 102 out of 102 last year in INMO. So of course this was his third IMOTC experience. Of course he got selected and of course we wish all the amazing members the best of luck. And again अभी काफी time है. So we of course know that they are going to put a lot of hard work. They have put in a lot of hard work to be here. It is not a simple task to be a part of Indian team, Indian maths team particularly, who represents India in IMO. And of course, they've worked really hard. I'm very sure they're going to put in a lot of efforts. The whole of India's hopes are on these amazing shoulders. And of course, I'm very sure that they're going to do justice to all our hopes. And पिछली बार IMO 2024 की अगर हम बात करें, it was India's best performance ever. India was ranked 4 after China, USA, and South Korea. And of course, we would wish to see India going higher this time. And again, let us all come together and wish the best for them. ये वीडियो इसलिए बनाया जा रहा है because मुझे पता है कि यार इन लोगों को जितनी लाइमलाइट मिलनी चाहिए उतनी नहीं मिलती है. इंडियन टीम जब इंग्लैंड के लिए अनाउंस होती है तो ऑफ कोर्स इट इज देयर ऑन द हेडलाइंस, बट जब इंडियन टीम आईएमओ के लिए सिलेक्ट होती है तो ऑफ कोर्स नो मीडिया और इट गेट्स वेरी लेस अटेंशन. सो केस दिस इज द मीडियम, हमारा जो छोटा सा मीडियम है, इसके थ्रू हम ये जानकारी दे रहे हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी वांट टू ग्लोरीफाई दीज अमेजिंग माइंड्स बिकॉज वी नो दैट हाउ hard they have worked. And not only these students, all the students who were a part of IMOTC or all the students who have been into this journey, they have put in, day out, done a lot of hard work. And of course, we need to bring this to the mainstream media. I know that ये media के लिए बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ है. They are not going to cover that. But again, our Prime Minister PM Modi took a huge step last year जब इंडिया का performance आया था IMO 2024 का, and India won 4 gold medals. They came up with 4th position. He tweeted, and it was a big thing. And of course, then all the mainstream media picked that up. Hopefully, this video also gets highlighted. And again, तुम लोगों की जितनी भी wishes हैं, let us wish all these amazing students on this particular video. Comment करके इन सब के लिए यार all the best बोल दो, because अभी it is still around 30-40 days. So they are going to put in a lot of efforts. अभी pre departure camp होगा, वहाँ पर बहुत सारा तैयारी करने वाले हैं. Of course, so all of India's hopes are on these amazing minds, and let us all come together. कमेंट करके इनको ऑल द बेस्ट विश करते हैं, सो दैट बाय सम मीडियम इफ दिस वीडियो रीचेस देम, दे फील गुड, दे फील स्माइल ऑन देयर फेसेस. दिस इज व्हाट वी ऑल वांट. टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस यू, जय हिंद.